Hello, everyone. We are hosting an interactive metronome certification workshop on April 25, 2025 on our virtual platform at the Maud Leroux Academy. This will be hosted in the Johannesburg, South African time zone from 9 a.m. to 4 p.m., which will correspond with the US Eastern Standard Time from 3 a.m. to 10 a.m. in the morning. Maybe people in Europe, closer to your time zone too. So I hope that many of you will join us. Interactive Metronome is evidence-based. It has multiple research studies. It has got a beautiful impact on multiple diagnoses such as ASD, ADHD, dyspraxia, sensory integration. I use it for multiple different reasons. I also use it for trauma. So what we will cover that day is the actual manual that is described or ascribed by Interactive Metronome themselves. And we will looking forward to having you join us for the day. If you want to know more about timing and how timing works with the brain and how this all relates, then this will be a workshop for you. Please see the link below to register. Take care.